Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Hope you are having an awesome day. In today's video we'll be looking at the amazing and beautiful boho braids hairstyle for any woman. Before we dive into the video, please kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Boho braids embody effortless chic, merging kindly the free-spirited Bohemian vibe with traditional African braiding techniques. These hairstyles are perfect for African women who want to showcase a stylish and relaxed aesthetic while embracing their natural texture. Boho braids offer a versatility and creative way to express individuality, making them suitable for any occasion, from casual outings to glamorous events. Boho braids draw inspiration from the Bohemian lifestyle, characterized by its laid-back, artistic and unconventional approach to fashion and beauty. These braids often incorporate loose, flowing elements and are adorned with accessories like beads, feathers and ribbons. The beauty of boho braids lies in their versatility and the freedom they offer in terms of stylish and customization. One of the most appealing aspects of boho braids is their versatility. Popular hairstyles include loose boho braids, which are relaxed and perfect for casual outings, boho box braids, which incorporate loose waves or coils and are adorned with accessories, and boho goddess braids, which are thicker and more prominent, ideal for special occasions. Half-up boho braids combine a chic and effortless look suitable for everyday wear or formal settings, while boho cornrows offer a relaxed finish with unique patterns and accessories. Creating boho braids involve a combination of braiding techniques and styling products to achieve the desired look. Start with clean, detangle hair and apply a leave-in conditioner and lightweight style gel. Braid the hair loosely, add accessories like beads or feathers, and finish with a texturizing spray for volume and texture. Maintain boho braids requires minimal effort but is important for keeping the style fresh. Regularly moisturize your scalp and braids. Protect your hair at night with a silk or stained scarf, and refresh your braids every few days with a mixture of water and leave-in conditioner. Avoid heavy styling products to prevent build-up and maintain the braid's definition. Boho braids celebrate individuality and creativity, offering African women a stylish and versatile way to embrace their natural beauty. Whether you prefer loose, flowing braids or more intricate designs, there is a boho braid style that will suit your personality and occasion. With their relaxed aesthetic, charm and endless customization options, boho braids are beautiful and empowering hairstyle choice for African women. Now let me allow you to watch the video to have a view of the different boho styles. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Bye.